guys! Welcome back to my channel. I would just like to share with you guys that we finally bought a drone! And I want to show you guys what drone we bought. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Our vlogging equipment is just simple. I'm using my husband's cell phone, which is a Huawei P30 Pro. This one. I cannot show you the phone because I'm currently using this. We don't have those high-tech camera because it's quite expensive and we still don't have budget. So why not? We just use this phone because it has good camera also. We use this stabilizer. This is Osmo Mobile 3. We bought this here because in my first vlog, if you watch my first vlog, the cell phone camera is not stable when I'm shooting from motorbike. So we decided to buy this stabilizer. The price of this stabilizer is 1,699,000 rupiah. This one. So this is also a big help for us because we able to shoot good footage just using phone. Like we no need to buy expensive camera. We just use this, and this is quite helpful for my vlog. This comes with this device, this one. And then you will put your phone here and then just press the start, and then you can shoot using this. And then also they give some strap, which is useful because see, if I'm carrying from the motorbike, if I accidentally drop, then it gives more protection. And also it comes with a power cable, this one, and it comes with a pouch. So I will just fix this first. So you just put this inside the pouch, then it's good to go. I just want to share with you guys that we finally bought a drone. This one. This is Mavic Mini. This is a combo. This is a Fly More combo. So later, I will show you what is inside the box. This is the pouch. This is the bag which comes in the box. You see? Small. So I will just use my hand to measure. Okay, let's open. Actually, I already unboxed it. So I will just show you what is inside. Ta-da! So this is the drone itself. Look how small it is. And this only weighs 249 grams. This is the antenna, and this is where you place the cell phone. And then this one, I cannot take out. Okay. This is the controller. You just screw like this, and it's good to go. You see, you can control now. What is good about this combo is it comes with 3 batteries, so you can shoot more. This is how you put the battery. You see, you can see the power. This is the charger and the cable, and this is also the cable for charging this. And it also comes with 3 USB ports. This is for Type-C, this is for Android, this is for iPhone. What is good about this is it comes also with propellers, with extra propellers, which is nice, and also extra buttons. They also give some screw. Later we will set this up so we can already test flight. In this box, it doesn't comes with memory card, so you need to buy. So we bought this. We only bought 64 GB. I think it's okay, good to go as a start. So this one, it costs about 379 rupiah. What is good about this is, because since you are just a newbie, it comes with a propeller guard. At least the propeller will be protected once you hit something, right? That's why I'm so excited. Later we will show you how you do the testing. I also want to show you how to put the memory card inside the drone. So you will just put here, and then just press like this. So the memory card is already here, and this is the USB port for charging. I want to show you how to open this. Take this, very easy. But you need to be careful with propeller. Okay, so it's ready. Just waiting for flight. This is the cover. So you just open this like this. And this is the camera. If you're watching our previous video, I shared with you guys that we really wanted to buy drone. And then that's why we finally decided to buy this drone, because I think our content will be more nicer, more cinematic, because we can show you more footage. Even myself, I'm also excited to see the shoot from the drone, because like it will be my first time also to see this. That's why this excites me. But we still need to like understand how to use this, because like I think it's difficult because I'm not so techy. So I just leave this to Archie, because I know he can try this. He will figure it out how to use this. But I'm so excited. So later we will go in the rooftop to check. Maybe I will also try if I can. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!